In this video I'll be explaining you about Kubernetes, and the main challenge which I am seeing among people is like to find a platform, to create a platform on which they can practice it basically, because Google Cloud is available and AWS also is available. But then also I'm finding it from a few people. I got the query like how to execute it or how to practice it for interview purpose and all those things, and also like if they want to change their domain. So this is the basic architecture of Kubernetes. So before Kubernetes, you have to have the basics of Dockers and Docker's registry, and then Docker Hub, Docker images, all those things. So that is the prerequisite, and this is the basic architecture of Kubernetes. So Kubernetes, one master node should be there, and there should be a worker node associated with that. So two worker node is that follows by the standard. So two worker node and one master node. So you can see this API server, scheduler, controller, etcd. This is Kubernetes master. So this controls the worker node. Node is nothing but it contains pods. Pods are nothing but it's like a logical host, and inside pod there are different type of containers. Again, if you have basic of Docker and container, you can understand it easily. And then image registry. So this is the basic architecture. So you should be having basically three nodes. So the one is master and two is rest of two are worker. So if you are installing in your local system, you should be having three virtual machine. If you are installing in Ubuntu, you should be having three Ubuntu virtual machine to install it. So there are some challenges with that. And when you are doing in Google Cloud, so they are also having some ready-made platform. But I found one ready-made platform where if you are a beginner, you can understand it. This is Katacoda is a platform, online platform where you can execute initialize master. So master and node is available for you. So one master and one node already, so no need to create any virtual machine. So here task is already given, that command below will initialize the cluster within a known token. Cluster is nothing but multiple nodes. Okay, Kubernetes cluster will contain master and worker. So all explanation is given. If you have Docker basics at least, then you will be able to understand easily. CLI. When you click here, the command will be executed at the respective node. So it will take some time. Okay. You can join any number of worker node by running the following. So if you run this command, then it will join to other worker nodes. Okay, so if you type ifconfig 172.18.0.1, so then I have to continue. This will show the the deployment definition. Then it will create the apply command, create the pods. Then we can see all the pods which are created. The pods information are there in this opt v cube. So this apply command does nothing but it creates different pods. Pods are nothing but logical hosts. Okay, continue. Token list, join discovery. On the second node, run the command to join the cluster, providing the IP address of the master node. So we are joining the node to the master now, worker to the master basically. So we have to run kubeadm join. So there are clusters are containing different node. We have to join different node to the master. View nodes. Okay, obviously we have joined one node, so we can see that this node 01 is joined to the cluster. So master and node. So this is having one master and one worker node. Remember, get pods again. Okay, okay, docker http server on node 01. Then again here we are creating the pods. Then again get the pods. So in the beginning you have to just get the concept of running the creating pods, joining worker node to master, then running different container, associating different container to different pods. Then inside pods, two different container can communicate with each other. So these are some basic steps. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will also make some videos on Kubernetes in details. Thanks Fred, thanks for watching.